Good morning folks, we are back on our mini oak frame porch, and today I'm hoping that we should be able to get a structure up, if not completed, ready for the rest of the roofing and things to go on tomorrow. So stick around and we'll see how we get on. Right, first job is to finish where we left off, which is to get everything fitted nicely. This corner here needs a little bit of work, and then I just need to do a little bit of tweaking down the other end. But hopefully it won't take too much to get everything in its place. Whilst we're at it, I need to do a little bit of work on this side. Really, when you've got a corner like this where I've got a third timber joining, they're going to be half lapped together and the tenon goes through both half laps, and that allows you to peg, first peg this one through into the tenon, and the tenon is just about long enough to catch both. But what I should have done is made this tenon almost like a square and longer. I need to cut housing and the half lap in this one. Now that I know that they're pretty much going to go, I'm going to drill the mortises and then we'll offset the hole in the tenon. So we know we want to come in and hit the center of the tenon, and I'm not sure if there's a general rule to how far up the tenon you want the peg to go through, but what you want to make sure is there's plenty of meat above it, because you know that's where the strength is and it could split. So I'm going to just add edge for right in the middle, which we'll put there. Now we really do need to get these all the way home now, so we can transfer our peg hole onto the tenon. All I'm going to do is just use the point of this auger bit to just make a little mark on the tenon. I'm not drilling it. Let's see. Just use it in reverse. Should give us a nice pinprick. Hopefully it will come back out again. You probably can't even see from that angle, but all I'm going to do is just measure back 3 mil, just in a straight line towards the shoulder. So I think we can safely say that that piece is done. Now we need to go at the other end and peg those. almost there. I think one more mortise, no, one more tenon to cut. I'm going to try and lay out the other side now. You've got to kind of think in 3D with these things. So I'm going to lie it out the other way and try and dry fit that way. So this is an upright. No, it's not. Yes, it is. But that's it. I'm going to have to leave this mess, have a bit of a tidy up later, and then hopefully by tomorrow morning we'll be ready to start putting this up.